So I am sitting in a Taco Bell parking lot right now. This is the first time I have gotten fast food by myself since I went full-time design the everything. Fast food is one of the things that we have cut out of our budget to try to save money to make this endeavor more possible. But it's a little treat to myself today because I am almost ready to launch that Kickstarter. When you're watching this, the Kickstarter is going to be coming out on today. So I'm recording this on Tuesday. Kickstarter's coming out on Wednesday. I am publishing this video on Wednesday. Right now it's about 1 p.m. and I spent all morning just sitting on a couch working on my campaign. I got some more social media posts pre-scheduled and ready to go out after the campaign launches. At this point I have like 15 days worth scheduled ahead, which is a pretty good lead. I think I'll just leave it there for now. And I've made some more tweaks to my campaign. I've just kind of polished things up a little bit, made sure it's nice and pretty, and checked for spelling and grammar. And I mean, it's ready right now. Like, it's good to go. When I get home, I'm going to start a document for myself that is like the steps to launching a Kickstarter. Because my scheduling on this one was just not good. Like, there's some things that I should have done earlier that I just didn't do, like sending my carabiner out to Instagrammers and YouTubers. But I just didn't get there in time. So I'm going to make a step-by-step guide of the design the everything Kickstarter process. And so when I do this again in December-ish, I can refer back to that. And then also I'm going to work on some ads and start running some social media ads for the campaign. At this point, I don't think I'm going to go with one of those Kickstarter advertising companies. I think I am going to do it myself. And that'll probably cost me a lot of money this time around because I don't have the experience. I'm not very good at it, but this is a skill that I need to build. And honestly, for a product business, this marketing and advertising is probably more important than being able to manufacture the product myself. The advertising skills are more fundamental to the business than the manufacturing skills. So it's time that I get serious and get good at those.
Well, it's about 9 o'clock now, and this is actually my first time stepping foot in the shop today. And that is solely to record this wrap up because I don't want to wake up my kids inside. In this time between this clip and the last clip, I decided to run social media ads myself and not hire an outside company to do it. They've been running for an hour or two now, so it's hard to get an idea of how effective they're going to be. But with these preliminary numbers, it's actually looking pretty good. Right now, using some back of the napkin math and some rough estimates, it's looking like it's going to cost me about $12 to get one purchase. And I can go into where I came up with those statistics, but they're actually even pretty pessimistic. So if that ends up being true when the campaign launches, and I'll be able to track it a little bit better then, that's printing money. I can do that all day. Obviously, those margins would be nice. But at this point, I've invested so much that even selling at a reduced margin is still going to help, pay for all the stuff that I've already done, if that makes sense. It's going to amortize some of my invested expenses. I mean, I'll keep a close eye on it once the campaign launches to make sure that it stays profitable. But as long as it stays profitable, there's no reason for me not to just dump more money into it. Obviously, I can't dump all of my money. That would be dumb. But if I'm trading cash now for a return in about 6 weeks when I get paid from the Kickstarter, there's a pretty good argument to just dump more money into it. Spending money on ads is kind of a hard pill to swallow because it feels just like throwing money out into the wind. But if this was buying a machine tool and I could spend X money now and then in 6 weeks get, 1.2x money or 1.25x money, for a 6-week return on investment, that's not bad. So as long as these ads are going to be as profitable as I think they could be, I guess I'll be upping my advertising budget. I'm recording this video on Tuesday, but I'll be publishing it Wednesday morning, and that means the Kickstarter is today. So today's your chance to go get a carabiner. If you're watching this after 5 p.m., the campaign has definitely launched. If you are watching it sometime before noon, then it is going to launch soon. You guys won't know the exact time until tomorrow, but it'll be somewhere between noon and 5. Now let's talk about YouTube for a second here. The daily vlog format is going to end with this Kickstarter. I'll keep it going for at least a couple days after the Kickstarter, but I think I need to move on from daily vlogs. I like the idea, and I don't know, I wasn't like burnt out on them, though they did take a lot of work. My main reason for changing formats is my quality was just suffering, and with that was going my views, and like it was just less worth it than it was at the beginning when I was doing a better job. So new format, I'm still gonna do more videos than any other machining channel, don't worry, but they aren't gonna be daily. I will start developing my next Kickstarter, which I will, I guess, announce in a couple days here when this campaign is over and I start, going through the process. Those videos will be at least twice a week, potentially more, maybe 2 of those videos twice a week, plus like a regular shop update kind of video. So I'm aiming for 2 or 3 videos a week, and I think I can get my quality back at that pace while still keeping you guys more than satisfying. I know that doing those daily videos was kind of like drinking from a fire hose. Some of you guys loved it, but a lot of you were less enthusiastic. That series will start this weekend or so. The week after this may be a little bit quiet because I will be at IMTS and otherwise gallivanting across the country. So I'll have less time for video. Thank you for sticking around for a rather rambly video. Please share my Kickstarter campaign tomorrow if you can and are willing. I would really appreciate that. And I'll see you later.